Hi, to enable and use flashlight on Google Pixel Watch free, all you have to do is swipe down from your current watch face to open Quick Settings list, and here simply find flashlight icon. Tap it, and now if you wanna switch between modes, you need to simply tap the screen again. So we got either white color or this red one. As you can see, flashlight is working. To turn off, you can just tap again and press this crown. Let's do it again. This is enabled flashlight. And also to disable, you can just press this crown without tapping the screen. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.